Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Bunny Brick Designs. I'm Cindy, and today I've got something a little bit different for you. So while this looks like something you would get from Bargain Bead Box, it is from Bargain Bead Box, but it's not one of their subscription boxes. It's actually a companion bundle. So every month, Bargain Bead Box has a theme. And then after they've shipped out all of their subscriptions, they have extras that you can purchase off their website. And so what I did was I purchased one of their bundle specials for the Mountain Majesties because I loved it so much. And I also bought an extra strand of the lava beads. So we're going to kind of go through what this companion bundle is. So this is an unboxing of the Mountain Majesties companion bundle. Now, a lot of these, when I looked on the website, I did not get them in my Mountain Majesties bead box. They're extras. So I figured we could go through them and take a look at what it comes with. So I did, like I said, purchase, and I know you've seen these before. I purchased an extra set of the 10mm lava stones. I loved those so much that I had to get another pair. So in case you don't remember, that was what I used to make this necklace with, was these lava beads. So these are the same lava beads. I absolutely love them. So I can't wait to use them again. The next thing I got in here was 4 pieces, if I can find them. Rhinestone round beads evergreen, which are these right here. And so they're very dark green, but they're little rhinestone, which if you put them with that, it's a very definite contrast. So you've got sparkle and you've got matte. I can't wait to do stuff with this. I absolutely loved this this past bead box. We also have a 12-piece wait a minute. I already did that. That's that one. That's that one. 16-piece 8mm check fire polished glass faceted round crystals in Lila Vega. That is this one. And these are a purple kind of copper color on them. I love the Vega finish on beads. They just kind of give it a little extra something. We have 7-piece, 16x6 check table cut glass marquee in Violet Picasso, which is this one right here. And so they have numbers on them that you can order specific. These are great. I mean, they go well with that. I really like that. Put those back in. And then we have 6-piece 19x7mm check pressed glass oval beads, matte ruby nebula. Oh, I'm sorry. These are the Violet Picasso. Those are the matte ruby nebula. Those are pretty too. They look the same. I have to make sure I get my numbers correct. So then next, if I can find them, we have, where is it? Maple leaves. I'm looking for my pressed maple leaves. Ah, there we go. So we have check pressed glass maple leaves and striated mint green silver wash. These are beautiful. I can see some earrings with those. I can see a necklace with those, maybe a bracelet. So really, there's a pair of earrings. There's something for a bracelet, maybe. Yeah, I'm loving these. Again, I wish there were more, but love it. Next, we have 7.5 strand amethyst faceted Art Deco cut cylinder beads, which is gem. Let me find it here. 487. Oh, there we go. And so these are little, like, cathedral style. I call these cathedral, even though they don't have the parts on them. They're Art Deco. They also have little beads in between. So you can use those little seed beads as well. And so there is a 7.5-inch strand of that. I love it. We have 10 pieces, 8 by 11 millimeter leaf drops in antique silver. So these, again, I can see earrings, I can see a necklace, charms for a bracelet. Those are very fun. I can't wait to use those. And then we have 2-piece curled leaf pendants in antique silver. And that is these. These are gorgeous. They have a hole in the center. I don't know if you can see that. So that you can maybe put beads hanging from that going up through. That's going to be so much fun to work with. I can see 2 necklaces for that. Different styles. I love these. I like unique beads that you can do different things with, and they're not the standard hole shapes. Next, we have 4 pieces, textured square with fern charms. And so these are just little square charms that have ferns on them. A little bit different than the charms from the Mountain Majesty, but it goes along with it. Next, we have 15-inch strand, 8 to 15 millimeter moss agate nugget beads. And so that is these. So these are going to be different sizes. Really fun beads, really pretty beads. I can see doing something with leaf pendants or even a bracelet with those. I love this. This is great. I like nugget beads. And we'll get that back in, maybe. It just does not want to go back in its home. And then next we have a 15-inch strand electroplated agate round beads metallic rainbow iris, which is these, which look similar to the lava beads, but they're smooth in texture. And I love these. They're very pretty. They're they match those. I can see doing a lot with that. I can't wait to use these. So that'll probably be the next video that you get, is using this companion. And I will have to dig out the remainder of the beads that I had from the Mountain Majesty, which was not a whole lot. Next, we have 14 millimeter brecciated jasper carved rose beads. Is that what this is? Four, 7. No, that's the next one. Ah, here we go. And so these are carved on one side, or actually on both sides, to have little rose patterns in them. Those are cute. I can see those being in a necklace or a pair of earrings. Next, we have a 15-inch strand, 4 millimeter African turquoise jasper dyed, finely faceted. So I don't know if you can see the sparkle on these. So they're stone, but because they're faceted and polished, they have a sparkle to them. So while they look matte in one light, if you hit them in the right light, they sparkle. And I absolutely love that in beads, because then you can get different looks depending on how you pair them. And then next we have a 10-gram bag, 6 millimeter check pressed glass droop beads, alabaster lavender spice. So I'm not going to open these up. So they've got hints of brown and purple in there. I love these. They'll go great with the different colors. I can see those with the chip beads. I could see those with those. I could see those with the lava beads. Although I like them with the green better, just because I think they would work well with that. And then we have a 45 by 26 millimeter amethyst wire wrap teardrop Tree of Life pendant in silver. And so this is just a wire wrap pendant. I do like wire wrapping. I do wire wrapping myself, but sometimes it's nice to get something pre-done that you don't have to think about. I do like that. I can see that with green. I can see that with many of the beads in here. And then we also have, lastly, some more leaf beads. And I don't see, I know this is on the list somewhere. Oh, there we go. There's the second page. These are 7 millimeter leaf spacer beads in antique silver. So I'm sure you've seen those before. They've been in several of the kits. They were, I think I had some of those in the kit that came with the Mountain Majesties. And then lastly, we have a wavy oval super holder magnetic clasp. So this is just a magnetic clasp that comes apart. And I'm not going to try to take that apart at the moment just because it's so tiny. But it's wavy, so it's a nice clasp. I can see using it with some of the leaf beads. And then lastly, they sent me a thank you gift which is 3 light green glass beads that actually I could use in this kit. And I used my 30% off coupon. So when you sign up for Bargain Bead Box, you get the bead box every month, and in the kit, along with your list of items, you get on the back side a coupon code to use as a subscriber to get some of these extras if you want to purchase them separately. So I decided, normally I don't, because I have so many beads that I have way too many beads, but I wanted some more of these, and this I think was $1.99 on their website, and I didn't want to just order one item for $1.99 and, you know, pay shipping, because that just would be ridiculous for one item. So I got the kit, which came with free shipping. So I've got all of these beads, and the companion bundle was $44. But I've got all of these beads, so it's like having another bargain bead box. And using the 30% off discount, my order totaled up to about $32 with the free shipping. So I absolutely love it. The next video we're going to use some of these, and I can't wait to play around with them. So if you're interested, like I said, in signing up for Bargain Bead Box, there's a link in the description. You get a box every month. It's roughly $20, a little bit more. And every month's a different theme, and it's absolutely fun to play with. So anyways, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'm going to get things set up so we can start playing with this in the next video. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.